The smaller one is a passive buzzer, and the larger one is an active buzzer. What's the difference between them? An active buzzer starts buzzing as soon as you power it up. A passive buzzer starts making crackling noise when it's powered. A passive buzzer works only during transient processes, such as closing or opening of the contacts. Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to make a wireless alarm at home. The alarm will go off when something is in the range of its ultrasonic sensor. Let's see what you need to make the alarm. You need 2 Arduino Nano boards, 433 MHz radio modules, a transmitter like this, and a receiver. You also need an active buzzer, 1 box for the receiver, another for the transmitter, and a battery case. You need 2 cases, or you can use a 9V battery as one of the power supply units. Make holes for the power wires. Solder everything according to the schemes. Transmitter scheme, receiver scheme. Upload sketches to your Arduino. I'm not showing you the uploading process because it's boring. You should have 2 boxes like these. One box is for the transmitter with sensor, another box is for the receiver with buzzer. Connect everything and check how it works. You can install this alarm on your fridge, for instance. You may take the receiver to the furthest room. The range of the radio module is very good. Let's try it now. Open the fridge. You can also install it on your table to scare the cat off of it. In the beginning, I told you I would use a 9V battery and a battery case with 3 AA batteries. However, when I connected everything, it didn't work. I decided to use 2 9V batteries, and it worked. Write in the comments why it didn't work with a 9V and 3 AA batteries. Now, about the sensor's range. It was 1.5 meters initially. I soldered these antennas to the receiver and transmitter, and the range increased to 30 meters. Let me know about your ideas for some other uses for this alarm. I'm sure your suggestions will be cool. Let's vote for each other's ideas in the comments to choose the most awesome one. If you enjoyed watching the video, click like and subscribe to my channel. There are lots of other interesting crafts. See you!